Oh, hey y'all. I hope your sewing machines are oiled, your scissors are sharpened, and your bobbins are ready. Because something's major's gonna happen this summer. And guess what? You're invited. You're invited. So, welcome to the official announcement of my live sewing series. Yes, this is a party that you didn't even know that you needed. So let's go ahead and talk about it. Hey everyone, I'm Rochelle and I'm the girl that gives you all the pattern sales, sew alongs, and behind the scenes of any and everything in between. In today's video, this is the official announcement of my live sewing series. And I want to share that with you. So I'm going to switch angles and we're going to talk about it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So here's the deal. Life gets busy and our project piles up. And sometimes that work in progress bin start looking like a sewing graveyard. We've all been there before. If you have some WIPs, raise your hand now.
Okay.
Okay, so I decided to change it this year. So what I plan on doing is going live every Friday at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And on that live, what I plan on doing is sewing through my WIP. So, you want to see this basket? Let me show you.
Okay.
This is called a disaster. This is the sewing graveyard. And y'all, for the next 10 weeks, I'm gonna be sewing down this entire basket of WIPs. Now, normally your girl don't have WIPs, but I have, over the last 2 years, I have cut projects, put them to the side because I felt like it just wasn't time for me to sew or work, children, job, everything have came in between me and that basket. So I'm gonna change that this year. Are you in or not? Okay. Now every week on Friday, I will have some live chats, some Q&As, ask me questions. Y'all know how it goes down on the lives, right? And I may also have some special guests lined up for you. You just have to check in and see for the next 10 weeks. So this live summer series will go from June 6th all the way to August 8th. And here's the thing, you can sew your WIPs with me. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner, seasoned sewist, or a pro, okay? Just bring your WIPs and let's vibe, all right? Well, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If this video was educational, inspiring, and fun, you guys know what to do. Give your girls a thumbs up on this video. Comment in the comment section below and give me a thumbs up if you are in and you're going to be sewing through your piles of WIPs as well. All right. Share this video with a friend who needs to clear those WIP piles. Y'all know we got a couple of friends who need to do that. I'm just saying. And do us free, and that's subscribe. Until next time, keep sewing.